folks, Alison here, UVLT's Programs Director. Welcome to Field Notes Friday. So if you're like me, you've been driving around the Upper Valley, looking at the trees, wondering when they're going to start turning, because fall is an exciting time of year, lots of change happening outside. And I thought this week, particularly the last couple of days, I've seen a lot of trees just starting to change. So we're going to talk about what makes that change happen and some predictions for this year. So here we go. So, as you can see, not a ton of color yet. There's a couple pops of color down there, and there's a couple up there, but overall, just the slightest bit of orange. And so let's remind you of your tree biology here. So you know that leaves are green because of the chlorophyll in the cells, and that chlorophyll absorbs the energy from sunlight, and using CO2 and water, it changes that into carbs, basically sugars and starches. And that is what makes leaves predominantly green during the growing season. There are also yellow to orange pigments, carotenes and xanthophyll, sure. But they're hidden by the green. The green is the predominant color. However, in the fall, when the days shorten, less light, the temperature changes, the leaves stop making food, the chlorophyll breaks down, and the green leaves the leaves, and then you can see the yellows and oranges more clearly. Other chemical changes are also occurring that cause bright red to purple colors that we see in some trees, and different colors have to do with like the mix of the leftover chlorophyll with oranges to make different shades. So color intensity, is it going to be a good foliage year? How can we predict it? Well, temperature, light, and water are all factors that influence the changes of the colors and how intense they are. So lower temperatures are going to favor anthocyanin, which makes that bright red color that you see in maples and other trees. And also rain and or overcast skies, which we've got plenty of today, makes the intensity of fall colors more intense. So cooler temperatures, overcast temperatures might get us to a beautiful fall. So far, not a ton, but here's hoping. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this Field Notes. Have a great weekend.